In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block all spam calls on WhatsApp, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp, okay? After opening WhatsApp, now look to the far right at the bottom. You will see the calls icon. Just tap on it. Now locate the call that you want to set as spam. Just pick any call that you think it's spam. Maybe I believe this call is a spam. Okay, now click on the three dots and you can block that person easily. Okay, when you tap on that block pop-up, now that is how you can block a call that you believe it's a spam. Okay, maybe someone constantly calls you with the promotional messages that do not make sense to you, or they want to steal something from you. So this is how you block them permanently on WhatsApp. They will not be able to call you. Thank you guys. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, thank you.